This is how we at Everyworks Singapore meticulously perform our shower screen glass safety film installation process. Step 1. Measure shower screen dimensions. Our experienced team will take precise measurements of your shower area dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for a shower screen safety film installation. Step 2. Prepare and remove shower screen fixtures. The shower screen fixtures will be prepared and removed to guarantee a clean and damage-free installation. Step 3. Clean the shower screen. Our team will thoroughly clean the shower screen to ensure a clear, streak-free finish and prepare the surface for installation. Step 4. Measure and cut the safety film. The safety film will be measured and cut to ensure a seamless fit to maintain the functionality and clean appearance of the shower screen. Step 5. Apply safety film carefully. Gently apply the safety film from one edge and smooth out any air bubbles to ensure a precise alignment and firm adhesion. Step 6. Remove bubbles and excess water. The bubbles and excess water trapped beneath the safety film will be removed to secure a smooth and optimal finish. Step 7. Clean and inspect shower screen safety film application. Our team will clean the applied film and inspect the screen to ensure the film is fully adhered, smooth, and free of air bubbles or loose edges. Check out the difference before and after our shower screen glass safety film installation. Upgrade your shower screen with safety film installation. WhatsApp us at 824100032 for transparent quotation.